Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation is quite similar in all of the other browsers used in the devices. So if we are on the browser, we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually, one by one, just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, because here we can do it automatically. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So as you can see, much more advanced options, and it will be a deeper cleaning. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. We can change the time range also from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you're ready, just tap on Clear Data. And as you can see here, we've got the history, which is obviously empty, and it simply means that we just successfully removed everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Samsung Galaxy M14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.